What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, my name's Lauren. It's so great to meet you. If you're not new here, hello, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. Today I'm going to be showing you how I shoot and edit my Instagram photos. I've recently pursued influencing full-time. It's been a lot, but it's been so much fun. Sometimes it can be really hard to shoot content. It took me a long time to figure it out, so I thought I would share with you guys what works for me and like how I kind of plan my content and then what a shoot day looks like with me. I just went yesterday with John. It's super nice when John's off work and he's able to shoot my content because it's way easier and less time consuming than bringing a tripod. So if you have a friend, you can grab them, go shoot some cute photos. And yeah, I filmed everything, mostly that John and I shot yesterday. So I'll be including that in this video so you can kind of see how a shoot day goes, how the changing process and all the weird stares and everything like that is. And then I'm also going to be showing you guys how I edit my pictures. It's nothing too crazy or anything. But just so you guys can see. I'm super excited about this video, so let's go ahead and just get started. Also, if you're not following my Instagram already, make sure you follow at laurenluto. I post tons of cute outfits and we can be friends. Okay, you guys, so my room is a legit mess right now, but before I go on a photo shoot or a shoot day, I always make sure to hang my outfits up on this clothing rack that I got from Amazon. It was super cheap. And it's done a really great job at staying together, not like breaking or anything. And I always will place my outfits on here so I can see the color scheme and I can just see all of the fits that I'm shooting. I think it helps to like hang it up. You can see it, you can stare at it, you can kind of like, if you're having trouble like having a vision on like a background or like something that you want to do, I definitely recommend doing this, because even if it's in your room and you're just kind of staring at it, then sometimes you're looking at the outfit and then randomly like a location will come to you or like the vibe that you want will come to you, and then you're super happy with the content that you shoot. What's up, guys? I'm whispering because John is still asleep, but I'm currently contouring my nose. It's like 8 a.m. I tried to get up at 7, but like I'm just so tired. So I'm running a little bit late. I still have to like get everything out for my outfits. But right now, I'm just going to do my makeup, try and do a really good job, because on shoot days, obviously, I want to look super bomb. So, yep. I already did, like, foundation and bronzer. I literally forgot I was filming, so love that. Also, I know my tree is, like, messed up. It's broken, and it's laying against the wall, and I don't really care that it looks like this, so don't come at me. Okay, so we're going out the door. This is my first look. I'm shooting this for a brand, and then I have those two coats with my heels, and then I just packed a suitcase to make it all easier to carry. So we're gonna go to this coffee shop and take some pictures there. Okay, everyone, so we just got to the first location. This is my photographer. He's in a really good mood today.
I am. Thanks.
So we're gonna go get our pictures. I'm not gonna video in here because I feel like it's just kind of weird, but on my next two looks, I'll set up the tripod and show you guys how we shoot it. Okay, you guys, so first shoot location is done. Super cute cafe. Was having a little trouble getting the shot, so I was getting a little bit frustrated just because there was a lot in the background in the mirror reflection, but ultimately I think we got it. So now I'm in the backseat of my car. I'm changing. I have my whole little setup. I brought a suitcase full of my clothes. I'm at the Beverly Hills City Hall because there's like a ton of cute spots here and it's like the vibe I'm going for right now. So I'm gonna change into my second outfit and then I'll show you guys how John and I shoot the look. All right, so we have look number 2 on, and now we are going to try and find a spot to shoot it. Does it look cute?
Yeah.
You guys, I forgot there's a weird tag on it.
But now you guys can see how much this negative Nancy here is on that.
It's not a negative, I just want it to be good. Well, I want it to be good, and it's not. I'm just being honest. Alright, well, we're done with this look. I think we got a good shot. I'm trying to be more creative because I feel like all my pictures look the same, but I don't really know what to do. So maybe I'll try and be creative with the next outfit. So, we're on a journey to find the pillars, but I feel like it might be... Oh wait, what's this? This is a map. We had to ask a worker where this next location was because I couldn't find it. This is when it gets awkward, is when you're shooting on a main road and everyone just stares at you. So look number 2 is a success, and now I'm changing in to look number 3. All right, I'm in look number 3. It's a little bit more comfy, chill, casual look. I've been going like very preppy lately. So, also I've been shooting on this tripod. It's really nice. It's from Amazon. You should definitely check it out. It was like super cheap. I think it was like $20-something.
Oh, like, didn't you just say you're like...
I'm wearing these beautiful coats from Fangyan. You guys, we found the spot and it is absolutely stunning in here. Wow, there's even a beautiful fountain. Guys, I love this spot. I'm literally so excited. So bad I want to give you a 0, but instead I'll give you a 1, and I'll show a picture you took that's really bad of me.
All right.
So bad, I want to give you a 0, but that's not possible. We are done with look number 3. I'm so happy with the location.
How many looks are there?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Are you happy?
Yeah, but you made it sound like you're like just look number 3 for the day.
So we're done. It was a successful shoot day. I love this area, so I'm probably gonna come back and shoot more looks here. So now that we're done shooting, I'm gonna show you guys, sorry, the light's weird. I'm gonna show you how I edit all my pictures. It's super easy, I don't really do a lot to them. If you don't have a partner to help you take pictures, this tripod is amazing. Well, if John is never able to help me, I'll just go out with my tripod. Find places where there's not a lot of people because I get a little uncomfortable, but if you don't care, like, do your thing. You can just get this app, it's called Lens Buddy, and then you can just, it takes pictures like really quickly, and you just keep moving around and then you get what you like. Okay, so now we are going to the editing portion of the video. So whenever you take your pictures, you're going to have so many to look through. I probably have like over 500 that I have to go through. So, as you can see, I'm still scrolling. So I'm going to do that right now so you guys don't have to go through all of these with me. And then once I have all my favorites, I will come back and then continue the editing process. Okay, you guys, so now I have favorited each of the photos that I liked. So let me just turn on my screen recording. Okay, guys, so I have favorited every single photo that I liked. I normally will do more just so I have more options, and then I just go into the Lightroom app, so I'm showing you all my favorites. Then I will go to the Lightroom app, which is this one right here. I hit this button and then hit from camera roll. Then at the top, I'm going to hit favorites, and then as you can see, all of my favorited pictures come up, so I'm just gonna pick one that I'm gonna do right now. So let's go ahead and do one from the coffee shop. So I'll do this one. So this is what the picture looks like, just regular, non-edited. And then I don't know what that thing is at the top. That's been there for a while, so just ignore that. I don't know how to get rid of it. And so then I go to presets, and I bought presets from an influencer that I really like. I just like how she edits her pictures. It's NITSAN. I can link her Instagram and everything down below. But I just love how she edits her pictures, and she had some presets that she used. So I just went ahead and bought them, and then ever since I bought them, I have been absolutely loving them. My feed has become so like more aesthetic and cohesive. So when you buy it, it teaches you how to put it into the Lightroom app. I don't even remember how. It was just the instructions was how I was able to do it. So I hit Knits presets, and then she has these options to choose from. So I normally will just click each and try and figure out what vibe I'm going for. I don't use Moody unless I'm trying to create like a really dark feed. I've been trying to kind of go for something brighter. I might do the angelic one, that one. So this is the before, this is the after. Otherwise I like to use natural a lot, but I don't know if it might be too dark for what I currently have. Vintage might be a little too bright for my liking. So it's between natural and angelic, which it normally is, because glowing is a little bit too, I don't know, that is pretty. See, I go through this every time. Angelic, glowing, natural. Natural's too dark. I think I'm gonna go, that might be too brown, so I might go with angelic. Let's do angelic, and then I'm just gonna hit up here, and then I'm gonna hit export to camera roll. So that's literally all I do to my photos, is I just put one of these presets over it. I don't ever like adjust my body or anything like that. I don't really understand why some people do that, where they'll like literally like reshape their body, they'll like completely transform their face. I sometimes will smooth out my skin if it's like super oily, but that rarely, like I rarely will do that, because I just want to like be real and honest with who I am. So that is really all I do, and then I just hit discard because I don't need to keep it in the Lightroom app. So I can do another photo. I'll do one of each. So I shot this really cool white jacket yesterday. Do I like this one? No, let's go back. It's always so hard to choose. I normally would just like pick random ones. Oh, that one's cute. Okay. So I'm gonna hit presets, then go through each of my, ooh, I like the angelic. I'm gonna go through each of my options. Natural, vintage. Natural, angelic. Normally it's between angelic, natural, and vintage. I think I might like, it's either natural or angelic. It's my brightness isn't even all the way up, people. Natural. I think I like angelic because if I do natural, the red brick pops too much. So that's all I'm doing to that photo. There's the before, there's the after. And then I will do the last look, which was this super cute, like teddy comfy outfit. I think I liked this pose. My hands look a little bit weird. And then I look through my poses to see like what looks natural, what I like, what looks good. I'm having a hard time. Sometimes I just move around like a weirdo, and that's just kind of how I get my pictures. See, this one, I had John change the angle because I didn't like all the red brick because I don't really have red in my feed. So I had him move closer and change the angle. I think I'll just do, sorry guys, I'm like super indecisive right now on what I want. We'll just do this one. Okay. So then I go to my presets. Let's see. Which, vintage is too yellow, so I think I might do natural. Then it really makes the green pop in the background. That does too. Not glowing, that's too yellow. I'm looking at the poles. I think I might do natural for this one. Kind of like makes the coat look a little bit like more rich, I guess you would say. Okay, so then once I'm done like adding my filter and I like how it looks, I will go to my other app, which is Unum. And basically this is where I plan out my whole feed. So as you can see right now, this is my upcoming feed. I'm sure by the time I post this, all of these will be up, so it probably will change from what you see right now. I don't even know if I have space. Let me just delete this filler photo. So then I just hit add, I go to photos or videos, and then the last 3 that I edited are right there. So let's go ahead and just do this one, add to space, and then you can move it around like so to try and find where it looks the best. Normally whenever I'm planning my feed, I like to keep it kind of spaced out. So like, as you can see, I have like a super close-up picture, and then I have a mid picture, and then I have a full body, and then I go back to a mid, then I go back to a full body. It's like I won't ever do like 2 close-ups in a row, because then it's just like too much in your face at once. So I don't really know. I probably add this one to this row, maybe like this, but then see how it's 2 pink in a row. So it's kind of just like trial and error. You just kind of move everything around. But that is basically all that I do to edit. There's nothing really cool. I just add a filter on it, and then I put it into Unum, and then I just do what works. I try to post every Monday through Friday, every single day at the same time to keep consistent. That's what I found best works for me at the moment. So that is all that I do for editing. Let me stop this recording. If you have any specific questions about how I edit or anything regarding my Instagram, feel free to comment down below. I will do my best to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you learned something. If you're trying to pursue influencing, I wish you the best of luck. I'm sure you're gonna kill it. Make sure you like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss any videos that I post. If you don't want to miss any videos that I post, you can also hit the bell button so you're notified every time that I post a new video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye, guys.